I am speechless. This is a moment to remember. This is my first MacBook. So, where do I start? That's always been my problem. I have ADHD and my brain thinks 1,000 miles per hour, and there's different thoughts coming in and out at the same time. This kept me for years without posting. I am doing this video because I want to record every single part of my journey towards achieving my goal. I regret not having recorded my previous 2 years here in Dubai. I went from one extreme of recording everything at the beginning to zero, completely zero. I was not even recording when I was having fun with my friends, when I was going to events. So these are things that I would love to do from now on, because memories eventually, if it's not something that's very relevant, memories unfortunately eventually die, right? So I want to record every single part of this process, and I want to create these YouTube videos not because I want to become a content creator. I would love to, but the goal of me posting this time is to record as much as I can from my life and just collect it all in one video, so I have all the memories in 10 minutes video, not all over my phone with videos that I will probably never ever watch again. So I just want to collect all my journey here, and if someone by any chance is at the same stage or is thinking about jumping into something similar to what I'm gonna do, maybe they will find inspiration or support. Well, I think my head is cropped. I can see it from the mirror. I don't care. This time I made myself a promise, which is I will keep the content as simple as possible, because I'm a designer and I'm a perfectionist. So that's another thing that kept me from posting the previous year. I want everything looking perfect to a T. This time I promised myself I would keep it simple. If there are mistakes in the video, I don't care. I will just post it. And yeah, so I just wanted to capture this moment because this is my first. I got nervous. This is my first MacBook. Yeah, I had to, save for some time, quite long time, but it's mine. And with this, we're gonna create all the magic that I've been wanting to create for the last probably 6 years. This time I feel it different. I feel like I'm taking it from a more mature perspective. And for some reason, I feel this is the right time. And yeah, that's it. This weekend was the 1 Billion Summit here in Dubai. And a friend of mine, actually my neighbor, he gave me one ticket. And I swear it's been the most rewarding experience I've ever been here in Dubai. I mean, I met tons of people that I can genuinely have a connection with. I don't believe in coincidence. This is a very expensive ticket, and for some reason, this ticket came to my hands. And when you feel like all these stars start aligning and just one door opens, you have to go for it. Yeah, definitely I decided to go. Turns out that one of my besties here in Dubai was there as well, CJ. I love this guy. Shout out to him. He's the best photographer in Dubai. He's a real genuine person and he's helping me a lot. He's just selling me to everyone he knows. I feel very grateful and blessed to have him in my life right now, not because of the opportunities he's bringing to me, but he's been such a big supporter of my content. And sometimes it's okay that someone has to tell you, hey, you're doing well, you're good at what you're doing, keep going, right? Sometimes for different reasons life happens, you're not capable of trusting yourself as much as you should, ideally, right? So it's okay relying on friends. And I'm very grateful because I've come from a very difficult end of 2025. I'm not sure if I'm ready to talk about it yet, but the love of my life, my dog. Yes, my dog is the love of my life. We had to say goodbye. So it's been a very rough start of the year, but I believe how you start doesn't determine how you end, right? So I do think he's guiding me because like all these coincidences, even I saw his name in the event in one of the banners. So I believe there are no coincidences. I'm really sure he's here with me, protecting me, guiding me, and all of these beautiful things happening to me. I'm sure it's him just, helping me go the right path instead of like get depressed about him not being here anymore. But I will talk about these things another time. I think like this video is being way longer than I expected. I just wanted to share this milestone. I decided to gift it myself after the event because I knew like I made so many connections. I knew it was the moment to get the laptop, make the investment, and start creating for good. So I will see you soon for sure. Bye.